Now, the general for b prime of t, when looking at b of t, b prime, so we take that out because the derivative of just a constant is 0. So that will be negative 16. And using the chain rule, that would be negative 16 times negative 0.4 e to the negative 0.4 t. That's b prime of t. Now, if you want to simplify this, you could always simplify this to 6.4 e to the negative 0.4 t. Now, of course, to solve it, we need to do it when t is equal to 5. So, of course, b prime has to be 5. b prime of 5 is equal to, now we can use this one. So, of course, it will be, 6.4 e negative 0.4 times 5. So, negative 0.4 times 5, of course, that's negative 2. So we could do one of two things. If you want, we could always leave it like this. Or we could do it like this. 6.4 over e to the second power. Now, of course, this is a real number. If you wanted to plug this into your calculator, you could, but question 3, no calculator. So this is, of course, will be our answer. But we cannot forget the most important thing, the units. Units being ounces per minute. You don't have to write the whole thing, but I'm going to write the whole thing. If you wanted to leave it like this, you could do this too. Now finally, for this one, the points are, of course, recognizing and finding b prime of t, just a general statement for that. So that's 1 point. As well as finding what b prime of 5 is, which is this. So all this right here, including the units, you'll keep, if you do all the things that I did, you'll keep your unit point. So that will also be +1 in total. And there you go, all 9 points for being able to approximate using a chart, being able to recognize MVT/IVT, but in this case it was MVT, being able to do midpoint sum, recognizing how to do that. Once again, always using your units. Never forget your units. If we learned anything in calculus, never forget your units, because that will cost you points on the AP exam. And finally, for D, you have to be able to recognize what the rate is, being able to just take a derivative, simple derivative, and like I said, don't forget your units.